Hi, I'm Michael Chua, and you're watching the Chua Channel, bringing you the best in food, travel, entertainment, and anything else that strikes my fancy. Today, I'm taking you to two community events. The raising of the Pride flag at City Hall to celebrate Pride Month in San Francisco, and the raising of the Pride flag at Harvey Milk Plaza by the Castro Merchants Association. City Hall was bustling with all the dignitaries, ranging from LGBTQ+ icons to city and even California state elected officials. This year, our newly appointed drag laureate, Darcy Drollinger, took to the stage.
The world's first drag laureate, Darcy, congratulations!
Alongside Mayor London Breed.
Celebrate our communities, no matter who they are, no matter where they're from, no matter who they love, because that's what we do.
Lieutenant Governor Eleni Kounalakis, Senator Scott Wiener, several city supervisors,
Supervisor Raphael Mandelman, Supervisor Matt Dorsey, Supervisor Catherine Stephanie, Supervisor Myrna Malgar, and our assessor reporter Joaquin Torres, and the members of the Sheriff Department. Thank you so much for being here.
The Pride Parade president, and others. They spoke about the tremendous importance of celebrating our diverse communities, particularly at a time when basic human and civil rights are under attack.
To support, uplift, and advance this community.
This year, especially when drag is under attack around the country.
After a quick glass of champagne at their after reception, First Lady of the Castro, Donna Seche, reigning Empress of San Francisco, Cameron Steele Monroe, and I, the reigning Emperor of San Francisco, Michael Anthony Chua, made our way to the Harvey Milk Plaza for another uplifting event. The raising of the iconic Pride flag over the Castro. This ceremony, originally privately funded by local residents Tom Taylor, who recently passed, and his partner Dr. Jerry Goldstein, has now been carried on by the Castro Merchants Association. So a big thank you goes out to them for keeping this amazing symbol tatter and fade free for all to see. If you like what you saw and would like to join me on other adventures, please like and subscribe, and keep on adventuring. Bye.
We're all gonna turn around and go back on the press conference.
Seriously, from Wrecking Park.